First, listen to the conversation.
Asking for items while grocery shopping.
Excuse me, could you help me find the organic vegetables?
Sure, they're in the produce section, right over here. What are you looking for specifically?
I'm looking for organic carrots and spinach.
We have both. The carrots are on this shelf, and the spinach is in the cooler just next to it.
Great, thanks. Do you know if you have any gluten-free bread in stock?
Yes, we do. It's in the bakery section, just down this aisle to your left.
Perfect. And one more thing, do you carry almond milk?
Yes, the almond milk is in the dairy section, near the regular milk and cream.
Thank you so much for your help. I think that's everything I need.
Buying groceries and paying.
Hello, I'd like to pay for these items, please.
Sure. Let me scan them for you. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Your total is $34.50. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll pay with cash. Here's $40.
Thank you. Let me get your change. Here's $5.50 back.
Thanks. Could I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Could you help me find the organic vegetables?
Could you help me find the organic vegetables?
Do you know if you have any gluten-free bread in stock?
Do you know if you have any gluten-free bread in stock?
It's in the bakery section just down this aisle to your left.
It's in the bakery section, just down this aisle to your left. Did you find everything you needed?
Did you find everything you needed?
Will you be paying with cash or card?
Will you be paying with cash or card?
Let me get your change.
Let me get your change. Could I get a receipt, please?
Could I get a receipt, please?